All right, the way we like to wrap up the show is to share something we're utilizing in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun.
Yeah.
What do you got for us today, Brian?
So
Well, I pull mine up because forgot about this part of the show.
I think I may have done this one already, but I actually just utilized it again for probably the second time this week. And this allows you to create a pretty easy and good-looking video all from your phone. So you can use text, you can use transitions, you can use music, and it's really, really easy. It took me a couple minutes to learn how to use it, but it's called Splice. Again, I think I used this one already. But you just take your little video clips, and then you bring them into a timeline. You can add text over it. You can add some overlays for effects. You can click between the two video clips to add transitions and add music. It took me probably, the first time I did it, probably 20 minutes to make a little 30-second video. Probably be half that next time. And it was a cool little tool to make a reel for Instagram. Splice.
Cool.
How do I use that, Tom?
Very nice.
Yep. Cool. I did.
We've done this show for a couple years now, so we may happen to accidentally reuse a widget
But
from
I
time
actually,
to time.
I used it in
But that
depth,
means it's
and I
been
really
long
liked it.
enough that it was time to represent that one. Okay. The one I have this is an app. It's also a desktop version. And this company has been innovating a lot, and I really like the stuff that they're doing because they're trying to make our job easier as agents and save us time. So here in California, our coronavirus disclosure is called a PED form, which is the bane of our existence. Agents hate this PED form, but this company has really helped make it a lot easier to get those PED forms done. Also things like our visual inspections and a lot of other forms, both for us as agents and for our clients. And instead of having the client have to print out all these papers and check all these boxes, they're able to do it in a digital version using a service called Glide, Glide. Glide has been awesome for us. It's really helped increase the experience for our buyers and our sellers, and it's helped increase the experience for our agents who are constantly having to do these coronavirus disclosure forms while they're out and about on the road. There's not only the desktop version, but there's also an app now. Sorry for Android users, it's iPhone only. But that service has been fantastic. So check out the Glide app. That has been a game changer.
How much is it?
Free $99.
Ooh, that's my favorite kind.
I'm sure there's like a paid version. I don't know what's included in what, but as far as I know, we're not paying for it. I think we're just running the free version.
Actually, it's $12,000 a month per user.
Yeah. Cool. Well, that's what we got for you. If you guys enjoyed the show today, if you got value out of it, if you watched us on YouTube, you can hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you get updated on future episodes of the show. We'd really appreciate that. Also, if you're listening on a podcast platform, you can hook us up with a review. That goes a really long way to help expose our show to more people. We love to share and love to give back to the real estate community. So with that said, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See y'all next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.